Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're looking ahead to a massive milestone in the tech world. If you're a developer, an aspiring software engineer, or honestly, just someone who already gets the absolute power of version control and collaboration, you know that mastering the right tools is literally everything. So today, we're dissecting an essential upcoming educational resource that's totally designed to give you that competitive edge. We are looking at the 2026 GitHub Foundations Master Plan. So are you ready for GitHub in 2026? I know, it might seem a bit early to be planting a flag in the ground for a future year like that, but in the fast-moving world of tech, preparation is absolutely your best strategy. We're really framing this upcoming certification prep not just as some boring chore or another random box to check on your resume, but as a genuinely exciting quest. The landscape of software development is always evolving, and locking in that foundational knowledge ahead of time is going to be more critical than ever before.
Section 1. The GitHub Foundations Goal.
Our ultimate objective here is crystal clear: conquering the GitHub Foundations certification. And look, this isn't just about casually pushing or pulling a repository. It's about proving a really deep grasp of collaboration, repository management, Markdown, and all those fundamental workflows that actually power modern enterprise software. It's a strict, rigorous benchmark for tech enthusiasts who want to definitively prove their proficiency to peers and, of course, future employers alike.
Section 2. Introducing Tech Horizon.
Let's move to and see how this builds into the ultimate solution, which is Tech Horizon. This serves as the definitive YouTube platform and, frankly, your trusted mentor for mastering the GitHub Foundation certification. You can basically think of it as your central resource hub. You know when you're standing at the bottom of a giant certification mountain looking up, just wondering how on earth you're going to scale it? Well, Tech Horizon steps right in to provide the exact map, the gear, and the expert guidance you actually need to survive this demanding journey.
Section 3. Anand Vemula's 2026 Guide.
Now, what's really interesting about this breakdown is just how hyper-targeted these parameters are. We are looking strictly at the GitHub Foundation certification, and the material is being purpose-built and specifically tailored for the 2026 landscape. It's all delivered right on YouTube via the Tech Horizons channel, which obviously makes it super accessible to learners anywhere in the world. And driving this whole shebang is Anand Vemula. He's the guide creator engineering this comprehensive study guide to make sure you have a steady, reliable hand steering you straight toward this upcoming benchmark.
Because, honestly, consider the alternative when preparing for an exam of this scope. Studying alone? It's a seriously daunting prospect. You're sifting through endless documentation, just kind of guessing what specific topics might be heavily weighted, and trying to build an entire curriculum from scratch without a proven roadmap. It's incredibly time-consuming and, let's be real, super overwhelming. But contrast that with leveraging Anand Vemula's upcoming 2026 video study guide. It distills all those insanely complex requirements into a beautifully structured, logical flow. It literally transforms what would be a fragmented, stressful, solo effort into a perfectly streamlined, guided mastery of the subject matter.
Which brings us to one final, really pivotal question for you. Will you be certified in 2026? The timeline is officially set, the objective couldn't be clearer, and the definitive resource is actively being forged right now on the Tech Horizon YouTube channel by Anand Vemula. Honestly, the only missing variable in this entire equation is your commitment to actually taking that next step. So what's it going to be? Are you going to stumble around studying in the dark, or are you going to seek out this guide and let it completely light your path to success? I'd say it's a challenge well worth accepting. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, stay focused, and go get that certification.